Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ricky Putra Yuliandani, and I will do the project of pre-intermediate grammar. So there's two parts that I will present. Part one is degree of comparison. So the definition is degrees of comparison are grammatical modifications applied to adjectives and adverbs to express the relative quality, quantity, or intensity of a feature between nouns or action. Semantic function. Without them, language would be binary, like tall versus not tall. This structure allows speakers to rank, contrast, and establish relational hierarchies. The three pillars. One is positive degree, states the baseline quality of an entity without comparison. The two, comparative degree, compares a quality between exactly two entities or groups. 3. Superlative degree, compares a quality among three or more entities, singling out the highest or lowest extreme. So the pattern is there's positive patterns for equality. It's subject plus verb plus s plus adjective or adverb plus s plus noun or pronoun. For comparative patterns, for short word, it's subject plus verb plus adjective or adverb plus text or then plus nouns or pronoun. For long words, it's subject, verb, more or less plus adjective or adverb plus then plus nouns or pronouns. For superlative patterns, for short word, it's subject plus verb plus the plus adjective or adverb plus in or of plus noun. For long words, is subject plus verbs plus the most or the least plus adjective or adverb plus in or of plus noun. So that the example one for positive degree or equality, the new solar powered prototype operates as efficiently as the traditional grid system under cloudy conditions. Structural analysis, as efficiently as, utilize an adverb modified by equative correlative markers. As the verb operates is modified by this adverbial process. Semantic meaning, it establishes strict operational parity and energy efficiency between two distinct technological systems. The example 2, comparative degree, short form. The update algorithm processes the massive dataset faster than the legacy software did. Structural analysis. Faster is a monosyllabic comparative adverb based from fast plus r suffix followed by the obligatory comparative conjunction then. The final did acts as a proverb substituting for proceed. Semantic meaning. It establishes an unequal relationship, assigning superior processing velocity to the update algorithm. The example 3, comparative degree, long form. The newly proposed corporate policy is significantly less restrictive than the previous mandate. Structural analysis. Less restrictive represent a process decreasing comparative The multisyllabic adjective restrictive relies on the analytical marker less instead of an inflectional suffix modified by the adverb significantly. A semantic meaning quantifies a marked difference in corporate government's flexibility between an old and new policy. The example 3, superlative degree. Among all the engineering candidates interviewed this quarter, Elena demonstrated the most sophisticated understanding of quantum computing architectures, structural analysis, preceded by a bonding prepositional project. The target noun phrase features the definite article, the combined with the analytical superlative marker most modifying the multisyllabic adjective sophisticated. Semantic meaning isolates a single individual out of a definite group candidates who possess the highest absolute depth of knowledge. Yep.
Ya, gampang. Ini diginin dulu, sorry. Nah,
Okay, media example. Wikipedia's article on Charlie Kirk was the most read on the online encyclopedia this year. Short, Charlie Kirk tops Wikipedia list of most read article in 2025. The Guardian, December 2, 2025. Linguistic analysis. This demonstrates a synthetic analytical hybrid compound superlative, the most read, where read acts here as a participle functioning adjectively. It requires the periprastic marker most to denote that out of millions of encyclopedia page, this single entry achieves the maximum point of user engagement. Many example 2. This article is more than 7 months old. Source, same article, The Guardian, December 2, 2025. Linguistic analysis. Here, model is applied mathematically to a temporal noun phrase, 7 months old. Instead of contrasting to physical object, the comparative construction measures an empirical span of time against an implied threshold to signal content age to the reader. Corpus linguistic and statistical data. Linguistic research insight. Modern English saw a distinct shift away from synthetic inflection or S toward analytical phrasal combination, more or most, even for this syllabic adjective. Frequency statistic. COCA or Google Books Gram viewers data. Adjective like polite, cruel, and remote historically favored inflection or polite. Corpus linguistic trends show that over 78% of contemporary written media use analytical forms, more polite, more remote, rather than inflectional ones. And for correlative conjunction, the definition of correlative conjunction are pairs of coordinating words that works together to join parallel words, phrases, or clauses within a sentence. Semantic function, they explicitly link to choices, addition, or occlusion together, signaling an immediate logical relationship before the second element is even introduced. The crucial rule or parallelism, both parts of the correlative pair must be followed by identical grammatical structure. If part 1 precedes a verb, part 2 must precede a verb. Syntactic formulas or and structural pattern. Both an adjective, both a noun or phrases and B noun or phrases plus plural verb, either or neither, nor, alternative, exclusive. Either or neither, a noun or phrase or nor, B noun or phrase plus verb match to. The proximity rule states that when joining subject, the verbs agree with whichever subject is physically closer to it. Not only but also emphatic addition, not only A structure but also B parallel structure. Original sentence and deep analysis. Example 1. Both and the executive board discovered that both the proposed budget expansion and the hiring freeze were highly unpopular among the employees. Structural analysis. Both introduced noun phrases A, the proposed budget expansion, and introduced noun phrase B, the hiring freeze. Because they are bound by an additive correlative, they require the plural auxiliary verb well. Semantic meaning connects to separate negative corporate developments as sharing the exact same status of high unpopularity. Example 2, either or. Either the chief financial officer or the managing directors are responsible for signing off on this high-value international transaction. Structural analysis either introduced as a singular noun phrase, the chief financial officer, while or introduce a plural noun phrases, the managing directors. By the proximity rule, the verbs are accurately shifted to plural form to match the closer subject. Semantic meaning present a clear choice between two mutually exclusive parties regarding administrative accountability. Example 2, neither the laboratory technician nor the principal investigator has been able to replicate the strange anomalies observed in the initial trials. Structural analysis, neither and nor frame to separate singular subject. Per the proximity rule, the singular verb has aligned with the principal investigators. Semantic meaning assert a total absence of capability or success across all designated researches. Example 4, not only but also with inversion. Not only did the research team isolate the problematic gene sequence, but they also engineered a highly targeted delivery mechanism to repair it. A structural analysis not only starts a sentence, it triggers subject auxiliary inversion. Did the research team isolate instead of the research team isolated? The second independent clause maintains standard word order, keeping but and also wrap around the subject and main verb. Semantic meaning maximizes focus on the achievement, framing the second point as a significant upgrade from the first. Media example 1, the story of a Cumbrian wind includes not only the mercurial wind itself, but Neolithic shamans, medieval zealots, Victorian meteorologists, and modern-day scientists. So the best fiction of 2025, The Guardian, December 6, 2025. Linguistic analysis in this literary review, the author used a stylized variant of not only but also by omitting also grammatical parallelism is pervert not only sits right before noun precede a the mercurial wind itself and but precedes a long component precede b Neolithical summons. Media example 2 which recognizes not only the high quality of her research but also her ability to communicate its relevance and impact on society today. Short University of Full Academic named BBC New Generation Thinker for 2025 BBC or Full News Portal, July 28, 2025. Linguistic analysis. This statement uses a textbook not only but also configuration. It showcases structural parallelism by pairing two abstract noun phrases perfectly. The high quality balance with her ability to communicate. Corpus Linguistic and Statistical Data Corpus Inside British National Corpus (COCA), while traditional textbooks state that not only must match but also empirical data show that language in practice is much more flexible. Frequency statistic only roughly 45 54% of organisms of not only written news database include the explicit words also at the end of the phrase. 32% of modern text drop also entirely using just but, while 14% substitute also with words like as well or to at the very end of the sentence. Takeaway for presentation, media English routinely prioritize consciousness over right textbook paradigms without sacrificing parallelism. For part 2 is relative clause error analysis. There is a original paragraph with marked error. I will read the right one. The student who won the competition is my friend. She met a professor whose book was published last year. The library, which was renovated recently, is very modern. I have a classmate who studies linguistics every day. The laptop which I bought yesterday is already broken. The lecturer that teaches syntax is very popular among students. The building which we discussed yesterday will be demolished soon. The researcher whose article received an award works at the famous university. This is the campus where I studied for 4 years. The scholarship which was offered by the government attracted many applicants. Error which used for human attendant, incorrect form student which won, correct form student who won or that. Grammatical violation, misallocation of relative pronoun by animacy. The relative pronoun which is restricted to non-human antecedent in animate object and animals. Grammar principle when a relative clause modifies a human subject noun phrase, the student, the subjective relative pronoun who or relative marker that must be selected to maintain features of animacy alignment. Error 2. Who she used instead of a possessive relative pronoun. Incorrect form a professor who she book. Correct form a professor whose book. Grammatical violation, double marking of argument, position, and case marking failure. The nominative form who combined with the personal pronoun cannot modify a possessed noun passive. Grammar principle: the genitive or possessive relative pronoun whose syntactically required to replace a possessive determiner verb to subordinate the clause while maintaining the possession relationship. Error 3. Redundant subject pronoun is an adjunct relative clause. Incorrect: from the library where it was renovated. Correct: from the library which was renovated or that was renovated. Grammatical violation: structural error resulting in an illicit resumptive pronoun it alongside a relative adverb where, leaving the verb was renovated without a valid subject relation. Grammar principle, where function as a relative adverb modifying plus adjunct because the gap inside the relative clause is the subject position of was renovated, we must switch to the relative pronoun which or that to fill the gap. Error 4. Resumptive pronoun following a possessive relative pronoun. Incorrect: from whose he studies. Correct: from whose classmate studies. Classmate who studies. A grammatical violation: pronoun redundancy or shadow pronoun error. The pronoun he duplicates the subject argument that is already bound by the relative linkage. Grammar principle: the possessive pronoun whose requires a trailing noun present. Whose brother, whose car, because the intended meaning is that the classmates themselves perform the action. The pronoun must be changed to the subject pronoun who with the redundant pronoun completely exists. Error 5. Who used for an inanimate antecedent. Incorrect: from the laptop who I bought. Correct: from the laptop which I bought. Or that are omitted. Grammatical violation: animacy feature mismatch. Who is strictly limited to human or animate agents. Grammar principle: in animate direct object nouns, the laptop must be bound using the objective relative pronoun which or the restrictive relative that are sick resumptive subject pronoun insert a subject relative clause. Incorrect: from the lecturer that she teach. Correct: from the lecturer that teach or who teach. Grammatical violation: insertion of resumptive subject pronoun. C. Grammar principle: the relative pronoun that takes over the subject position within the relative clause. Retaining the personal pronouns, he creates a double subject error, which violates English syntax. Error 7. Piping or stranding error with an ungrammatical redundant preposition. Incorrect: from, which we discussed about yesterday. Correct: from, which we discussed yesterday. Grammatical violation. Transitive error. The verb discussed a strictly transitive verb that takes a direct objective without an intervening preposition. Grammar principle: because discuss act as a transitive verb extracting the object via which leave a clean structural gap, adding the proposition about make the clause ungrammatical. Error 8. Whom used in a possessive environment. Incorrect: from the researcher whom article received. Correct: from the researcher whose article received. Grammatical violation: case assignment error. The objective case relative pronoun whom cannot modify or show position over a noun or article. Grammar principle: showing a relationship of position requires the genitive case pronoun whose to precede the noun passive act. Error 9. Double marking of relative space pronoun plus adverb collision. Correct: from the campus where I studied or the campus that I studied at. Grammatical Grammatical violation focuses structural redundancy through overlapping relative categories. Grammar principle, you cannot pair a relative pronoun that and relative adverb where together to modify the same structural gap. You must either use where cleanly or combine that with a standard preposition at. Error 10, resumptive object pronoun in passive relative clause. Incorrect from which it was offered. Correct from which was offered. Grammatical violation, subject redundancy inside a passive construction. Grammar principle, the relative pronoun which acts as the direct syntactic subject of the passive auxiliary verb was offered. Inserting the personal pronoun, it duplicates the argument, breaking the sentence. Degree comparison error analysis. This is the original paragraph. The correct one is my university is larger than the university in my hometown. Among all students in my class, Sarah is the smartest student. This semester is easier than the previous one. The library is quieter than the cafeteria. English is more interesting than mathematics for many students. My laptop is more expensive than my friend's laptop. Of the three presentation, John's presentation was the best. The new classroom is the most comfortable room in the building. Traveling by train is cheaper than traveling by plane. Today's weather is worse than yesterday's weather. Error 1. Jika modifikasi use a monosyllabic adjective, incorrect from more large than, correct from larger than. Grammatical violation, incorrect choice of morphological strategy for comparison. Grammar principle, monosyllabic, one syllable, base adjective like large must form their comparative degree through synthetic inflectional suffixation or not periprastic phrasal marking more. Error 2, double superlative marking, incorrect from the most smartest student, correct from the smartest student. Grammatical violation, pleonastic or redundant grammatical marking. Grammar principle, a superlative attribute cannot combine both an analytical marker must and an inflectional suffix as simultaneously. Because smart is monosyllabic, it takes only the suffix s. Error 3, sorry. Double comparative marking, incorrect from more easier than, correct from easier than. Grammatical violation, redundant comparative syntax. Grammar principle, dissyllabic adjectives ending in the liquid consonant sound easy from their comparative form by changing the y to I and attaching the inflectional suffix r. Combining this was more creates an ungrammatical double comparative. Error 4, superlative suffix pair with a comparative conjunction, incorrect from the quiddest one, quiddest then, correct from quitter than, quieter than. Grammatical violation, syntax level paradigms mismatch. The comparative conjunction then is paired with a superlative form. Grammar principle when comparing previously two entities, the library versus the cafeteria, you must use the comparative degree quieter alongside the introducing conjunction then. Error 5, inflectional suffix applied to three-syllabic adjective, incorrect from interestinger than, correct from more interesting than. Grammar violation, morphological overgeneralization of the R suffix. Grammar principle, polysyllabic adjective, three or more syllabic, like interesting, cannot take inflectional comparative suffix. They require the analytical prefix more. Error 6, inflectional suffix applied to a three-syllabic adjective. Incorrect from expensiver than, or from more expensive than. Grammatical violation, morphological suffixation error, and polysyllabic rote grammar principle. The adjective Comprehensive consists of 3 syllables. Expensive. It must use the analytical comparative marker instead of the synthetic or suffix. Error. 7. Comparative modifier paired with an irregular superlative adjective. Correct form was more best. Correct form was the best. Grammatical violation. Double superlative category collision using an irregular form. Grammar principle. The adjective good has a highly irregular inflectional paradigm. Good, better, best. And evaluating 3 or more items, 3 presentation, the correct superlative from the best must be selected without any extra modifiers. Error 8. Comparative modifier use an explicit superlative environment. Incorrect form, the more comfortable room in the building. Correct form, the most comfortable room in the building. Grammatical violation, comparative marker used inside an absolute bounded sign in the building. Grammar principle when picking out the exceptional entity within an entire bounded group or room in the building, the superlative degree marker must be chosen to match the defined article. The Error 9, superlative marker used with an cooperative conjunction. Incorrect from most cheap than, correct from cheaper than. Grammatical violation, superlative or comparative structural cross contamination. Grammar principle, the presence of the explicit binary coordinator. That means you are making a comparative statement. Since chips is a monosyllabic word, it must be changed to the synthetic inflected comparative cheaper. Error 10, regularized inflection applied to an irregular adjective root. Incorrect from better than. Correct from worse than. Grammatical violation, incorrect regularized inflection of an irregular adjective root. Grammar principle, the adjective bad belongs to a superlative grammatical paradigm. Changing its structural root entirely when shifting degree. Bad, worse, worse. The regularized form better is completely ungrammatical. Correlative conjunction error analysis. Original paragraph. The right one, both the lecturer and the student were interested in the seminar. Either the manager or the staff member are responsible for the project. Neither the teacher nor the student were prepared for the presentation. Not only does the library provide digital research, but it also offers study space. The research is interested both in collecting data and analyzing the result. Whether the meeting will be online or offline has not been decided yet. No sooner had the lecture started than several students arrived late. Scarcely had I finished my assignment when the lecturer announced a new task. So was the difficulty of the exam that so many students failed it. Rather, the professor than also the assistant conducted the works. Error 1, incorrect from both the lecturer or correct from both the lecturer and the grammatical violation. And that's it, the grammar principle. Error 2, additive coordinator pair with an alternative coordinator. Incorrect from either the manager and the correct from is either the manager or. You can see the grammatical violation and grammar principle. So the error 3, disjunctive coordinator pair with a negative coordinator. Incorrect from neither the teacher or, correct from neither the teacher nor. As you can see, grammatical violation-nya, grammar principle. Error 4, subject verb agreement failure across a correlative split subject. Incorrect from neither the teacher or the student was. Correct from neither the teacher nor the student were. Grammatical violation and grammar principle. Error 5, correlative coordinator replacement failure in an emphatic addition. Correct from not only and also. Correct from not only but also. Error 6, parallelism fractured across coordinating structure. Incorrect from both in collecting data and to analyze. Correct from both in collecting data and in analyzing, or to collect data and to analyze. You can see grammatical violation and grammar principle. Error 7, whether used as an adverbial subordinator without a valid condition. Correct form, whether the meaning as used in this specific syntax. Correct form, whether the meaning. Retaining the subordinating word but correcting its tracking element. See error 8. Error 8, alternative coordinator substitution within a choice clause. Incorrect from online and offline coordinated by whether. Correct from online or offline. Error 9, time relative coordinator mismatch. Incorrect from no sooner had the lecture started when. Correct from no sooner had the lecture started then. Error 10, adverbial time coordinator mismatch. Incorrect from scarcely had I finished my assignment then. Correct from scarcely had I finished my assignment when or before. So that's it. Thank you so much. My name is Ricky Putra Yuliandani. And bye bye.